The Android phone in your hand can actually perform these things. Yes. With your phone, you can do this 3 things I'm about to tell you right now. 3 of them. Let's go. Let me show you. Okay, to know if your WhatsApp is linked to any device without you knowing, go to your WhatsApp, type on the 3 dots up, go to linked devices. You will see here there is no linked devices. Now WhatsApp allows 4 different devices to be linked to one, but here there is none. So nobody's watching me here. Now let me check another of my WhatsApp. So I go to the other of my WhatsApp, I open and I tap on the 3 dots, linked devices, and voila, here there is a system linked to my WhatsApp. You see, last active on the 8th of February. Now I know this device, I personally linked it. Okay, so this is where you see devices. If any device is linked to your WhatsApp, this is it. Because what happens in your WhatsApp, this device will see it, will send message, delete message, read message. So if somebody links your WhatsApp, they will be seeing all your messages. Anything that comes in, anything that goes out, they'll be seeing it. They can also send messages. People may be receiving message from someone else thinking it is you. So let's assume you see something like this and it is, you don't know who owns it, you don't know, you're not sure. You just tap on it and then you log out. Log it out. You see, here your device is free. Nobody is spying on it, nobody is linked to it. It is free. It is free. And you make sure that your data is on because it is data that it uses to work. Put on your data. If your data is not on, you won't be able to log that system out. It does not work offline, so you have to be online to do it. You come to your setting, then you go to more connectivity. You scroll down and you will see Android. You will see Android Auto. You tap on it. It brings you to this interface. You will see connect a vehicle. Here, start Android Auto while locked. You check the button, start music automatically so that you don't have to drive and be struggling with tapping and all of that. You check it. You can also customize your launcher, which app shows in Android Auto and how they appear in the vehicle screen. You can also come here for the digital assistant if you want to be using your voice to control it when you're driving. Show first line of message. If you're driving and a message pops up, you just do the normal setting. You do the normal settings. Then you come back here and you tap on connect vehicle. You take a cord, your phone cord, connect to the vehicle, and then use the USB side and connect to the USB on your car. Connect it to your car. Now this connection using wireless Android Auto is available on some 2021 or newer vehicles. 2021 model to newer vehicles. It works perfectly. So when you connect and you will start making use of your phone, in your car. You can play music, you can play video, you can whatever, listen to, watch anything. Just instead of driving, and you can answer your call, which is more important. Instead of driving and you're struggling to pick a call, and it is not, and you know it is very, very dangerous to drive and be answering call. So that's it. Do this setup before you hand your phone to someone. Go to your settings, scroll down to additional settings. Then you scroll down to users. You turn on multiple users to add a guest. I already have a guest here and I can delete it or leave it. So you add a guest, and then after adding the guest, you switch to the guest. It is going to conceal your own interface. It will be as if you're handing an empty phone or a phone without being used to the person. Anything the person does is not going to connect back to you. The moment the person finishes, you remove the person, you remove the guest. Go back to your setting and then turn off multiple users and get back your phone.